Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss nucleophilic substitution reactions in aliphatic compounds. So there are different types: SN1, SN2, SNI and neighboring group participation. Let's see one by one. First, SN1 reactions. What is meant by SN1? Substitution, nucleophilic, unimolecular. Means molecularity of the reaction is 1. Rate determining step involves only one molecule according to this. Okay, let's see the different types under this. Let's say with an example. See the reaction of tertiary butyl chloride for the sake of convenience with H2O. See the product, see CH3, CCH3 taken thrice, OH plus HCl. Tertiary butyl alcohol is formed. Okay, this is the basic reaction. Now let's see the mechanism. Here we have to show that the rate determining step involves only one molecule. Just here we are discussing what is SN1 reaction. Thereafter we will see the applications, in what way we can use to solve the problems. Okay. Now see this, the first step, the tertiary butyl chloride ionizes to give carbocation, tertiary butyl carbocation plus Cl minus. As they are oppositely charged ions, backward reaction is also possible. Because of polar solvent, here ionization is possible as sodium chloride in water. Of course, this is leading to stable carbocation. In the second step, see that carbocation, see this is behind the board and this is projected above the board. Carbocation is sp2 hybridized, planar. So planar, because of planarity, nucleophile can attack from either side. Here nucleophile is H2O. So it may attack from this side or from this side. So it leads to two possible products, two products. Of course, here there is no asymmetric center. Two products are identical. Here I am not going to concentrate on the stereochemistry. Okay. So the product, see whether, so just to write the product, you can show like this. But these two are identical. Okay. But see, now let's see the next step. What happens after the attacking of nucleophile? See this, CH3, OH2 plus on oxygen, because it is donating electron pair to C plus. Loss of electrons for oxygen, so it gets positive charge. Okay. Thereafter, let me write here, third step. See, thereafter, from that, see, this is H2O plus by another water molecule which can act as a base, removes this hydrogen as H plus. Now see this, CCH3 CH3, CH3, OH plus, what is this? H3O plus. So in that way we get tertiary butyl alcohol. In that way it takes place in 3 steps. Now let's compare. If you compare 1 and 2, relatively this is fast, because this is the reaction between, see, just like acid base reaction, this is Lewis acid, this is Lewis base, acid base reaction, whereas this is ionization reaction. Relatively second step is fast. Similarly, this is an acid base reaction. So when if you compare with 1, this is also fast. So among all these, this is the slowest step and this is the rate determining step. Rate determining step. See, rate determining step, that is involving only one molecule. Only one molecule. See, this is nucleophilic substitution, and also since a rate determining step involves only one molecule, this is said to be SN1 reaction. Okay. Now see the kinetics, graphical representation of this. See here, in this case we have seen 3 steps: formation of carbocation, attacking of nucleophile, and finally loss of H plus. See, let's try to recollect in brief. RCl, in the first step it is R plus and Cl minus. In the second step, H2O, C, R, OH2, I would like to write only C plus for the sake of convenience, plus in the next step by H2O, this is removed as H plus, and finally we get ROH. This is in brief. Okay. Now let's see the energy profile diagram. Energy profile diagram. See, we have seen in chemical kinetics, on y-axis potential energy, x-axis reaction coordinate, indicates direction of reaction, reactants to products. See, there are 3 steps. 3 steps. So it involves 3 transition state. Among all this is the slowest step. This is fast, and this is very fast. It involves H plus, very fast acid base reaction. Now see, if slow means related activation energy is high, try to recollect chemical kinetics. See, this is the related to first step. Here this is RCl, and this is related to formation of R plus. But when compared to this step, this is fast. Fast means required. See, this is the activation energy. Activation energy for the next step relative to this is less. Okay. Now when compared to this, see, this shows, say, this is the position here, this intermediate, say, for the sake of convenience, say this is 1, this is 2, intermediate 2, and the next step is very fast. So further activation energy decreases. Here for this step, this is the activation energy. For this step, this is the activation energy. So in that way final product is formed. So you can represent, so this is the kinetics of this reaction, and rate of this reaction is equal to K into concentration of alkyl halide only, because rate is that depends only on the concentration of alkyl halide. Okay, this is about SN1 reaction, right? Now let's see a few more points about SN1 reaction. Few more. What about stereochemistry? Stereochemistry of SN1 reaction. Stereochemistry of SN1 reaction. We will see about this in the second video.